Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my Lord, advance me in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine and will be enjoying good health at home. Okay, grade 3. This is our phase 2 and our today's topic is pronouns. So let's see what are the pronouns. A word which is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun, or you can write the definition like this. A word that takes the place of a noun is called a pronoun. Okay. Now you see here in example, I have written some sentences for you like Mr. Zaid is a bus driver. Mr. Zaid drives children to school. Mr. Zaid is a kind man. Now you see in my conversation, I have repeated the word Mr. Zaid again and again, and it doesn't sound well. But if we say it like this, like you say now, instead of repeating Mr. Zaid, let's replace it with a pronoun. Mr. Zaid is a bus driver. He drives children to school. He is a kind man. Now you see, in this way, our conversation looks more beautiful. So we use pronoun to avoid the repetition of noun. ठीक है, हम nouns को बार बार repeat करने की बजाय pronoun use करते हैं ताकि हमारी conversation अच्छी सुनाई दे. ठीक है? Okay. So come to the next one now. Let's see some common pronouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. Okay, the pronoun you can also come in the telling part. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब थोड़ा सा इसको डिटेल में देखते हैं. Fine. Here you see I, he, she, and it are singular pronouns, whereas we and they are plural pronouns. For example, the village is far away. It has many rivers. Okay, the village is far away. Here, village is a noun, and for this we have used the pronoun it. It has many rivers. Rivers is a noun, and for the rivers we are using the pronoun, plural pronoun. They are clean. Okay, the village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. So village and rivers are nouns, and we are replacing them with the pronouns it and they. So here you see pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, you must work as a team. Here you doesn't mean one person. It means a collective team. Okay, दो या चार लोग जो उनसे हैं उनसे मुराद है यहाँ पे. Do you have a pet cat? Here you mean singular. Okay, do you have a pet cat? Does it play with you? Okay, come to the example number 3. You are my parents. I'm proud of you. Okay, here we are using the pronoun you as a plural. Okay, parents mean both mother and father. So you are my parents. I'm proud of you. Okay, the words me, him, her, it, us, you, and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of the sentence. For example, he is my father, I love him. Okay, here you see in this sentence, he is my father. So the pronoun he, it comes in the telling part. I love him, the pronoun him, it comes in the telling part. Fine. Here he is telling about he. So this is called the telling part. Pronoun it, and her are used as singular nouns, whereas us, them, they are used as plural nouns. For example, Yasir has a cat. He loves it. Okay. It is the singular noun. They are many. They are my parents. I help them. So here the pronoun them is the plural pronoun. Fine. Okay, students, now come towards activities. So this is our question number 1. Fill in the blanks with correct pronoun. The pronoun dash replaces a male person, whereas pronouns dash and dash replaces a female person. So what do you think? Which pronoun replaces a male person? Of course, you can write he or him over here, whereas pronouns she and her replaces a female person. Pronoun dash and dash replaces more than one noun. Pronoun we and they replaces more than one noun. Pronoun dash replaces an animal or thing. So here pronoun it replaces an animal or thing. Now come to question number 2. Rewrite the sentences by writing pronouns of underlined nouns. Ali goes to school. Ali is a good student. So here we have underlined the noun Ali and we have to change it with pronoun. Ali goes to school. He is a good student. The remaining sentences you have to read by yourself. The children went to the park. The children played on swings. Okay. Sarah likes pizza. Sarah is fond of chocolates. Number 4. I saw a lion in the zoo. The lion looked very scary. Number 5. I and Sarah go to the school. I and Sarah are good friends. Now you have to change these underlined nouns with pronouns and rewrite them again. उनको दोबारा से लिखना है, ठीक है? Okay, now come to question number 3. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Ali and Sana are very quiet. They are watching TV. So here we are using the pronoun they instead of Ali and Sana. Okay, and I have underlined it for you. Number 2 is Haris gave a kite to his friend. It was green in color. Okay, you have to underline the pronoun in this sentence. Ali is my neighbor. We are good friends. Laiba gets up early in the morning. She recites the Holy Quran. Number 5, Hassan went to the market. He bought some apples. Okay, students, you have to do it by yourself. इसको खुद ही से आपने करना है. देख के कौन से pronoun हैं उनको underline करें, ठीक है? Now come to question number 4. Circle the pronoun that best complete the sentence. Him was the first boy who won the prize. So which pronoun will come? He or him? Of course, he was the first boy who won the prize. Okay, sentence number 2. We or us buy our vegetables of the farmer's market. Okay, so which pronoun will come? Of course, we buy our vegetables of the farmer's market. Number 3, her wore a pink dress. She wore a pink dress. Number 4, we bought some apples for us or they from the shop. So we bought some apples for us from the shop. Number 5, my brother and I or me played video games together. So here, my brother and I played video games together. Number 6, Mom made lunch for they or them on Sunday morning. So here comes Mom made lunch for them on Sunday morning. Number 7, the drums were loud and scared him or he during the parade. The drums were loud and scared him during the parade. Number 8, they or them bowed at the end of the play. Of course, they bowed at the end of the play. So this was all about the topic pronouns. Students, now what you have to do, that you have to do this lecture along with activities on your grammar copies, and don't forget to submit your work till 24 July 2020. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.